Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It is 29th of November. It's morning 9 o'clock. We are actually leaving for Samara's parent teacher meeting as well as. So today is Samara's brand photo shoot. I'll give you the entire details shortly. I don't have much time, so I'm quickly getting ready. My kids are ready, my husband is ready, so I'm just leaving. We're just leaving it's in another 5 minutes, so I'll give you all the details about this brand photo shoot shortly. Okay, this is what I'm wearing. Okay guys, so we are done with the PTM. It went well. We heard some good things from her teachers, and there are a few areas where we need to improve. Now we are heading for the photo shoot. It's in Koramangala, so I'll keep you guys posted. 9.8 kilometers, so I think we'll reach there by 11:30. So once we reach there, we'll show you how it goes. So even though it's Saturday today, it's so much of traffic. We've still not reached. Both my kids, she also slept, she's also sleeping. Bangalore traffic. Finally we've reached and our model is sleeping. This one is also sleeping. Shivaka, good morning. That's the building. Samira, idhar aao. After reaching, they had given us a form to fill before the photo shoot. It had all the basic details. As it was a weekend, so there were a lot of children for the photo shoot. And here they gave us this dress, and I was getting her ready. Okay guys, so we are done with the photo shoot. It went well. She was cooperative. Now we are going for our lunch. So lunch, I think we are going to have it in lunch ka Chalo. Empire. We're going to have lunch in Empire and then go home. Okay, so we are done with the lunch also. It was too heavy. I'm gonna skip my dinner today. So we are going back home. Good morning guys. It's the next day and I'm so sorry I couldn't end the day yesterday properly because we reached around 5:30 and I was too tired. I just prepared dinner and then went to bed. So it is Sunday today. It is around 8:30 now. So I've gotten up. I have to prepare breakfast. I am preparing jawari ki roti and ghunya. Green color के जो होते हैं वो वाले. So after breakfast we're going to go to D-Mart because I need slippers to wear at home. It's too cold. I can't keep my foot on the floor. It's that cold. So I was wearing socks till today, but I think socks is also not working. So we need proper slippers. So let's get started with the breakfast. And about the photo shoot, I'll let you guys know how they contacted us. Also, they gave us a certificate. I mean, they gave Samira a certificate. It will help if we want to direct our kid into that direction. So first I'll keep my jeera, ajwain and soap ka pani ready. You can also add methi in it, but I don't like. That's why I'm only using these three. So this drink really helps. I would suggest everyone to have it early in the morning, empty stomach. I'm also forcing my parents to have it early morning every day. So yeah, let's get started with the breakfast. It's jawari ki roti. The process of making jawari ki roti I don't like, but having jawari ki roti I like that much. But my daughter loves having jawari ki roti. एक्चुअली मुझे रोटी बनाना नहीं आता था बिफोर शादी, बट मेरे जो मदर इन लॉ है उन्होंने मुझे सिखाया बनाने में। थोड़ा ऐसे मारती हूँ, उसके बाद बेलने लगती हूँ। बेलन होता है उसको प्लास्टिक बांध देना चाहिए, तभी ये जवारी की रोटी अच्छे से बेली जाती है। सो आई कीप इट हियर एंड टेक माई मांडा बिकॉज बेलना है, राइट। दिस बेलन प्लास्टिक लपटना चाहिए आपको, तभी जवारी की रोटी अच्छे से बेली जाती है। तो जब रोटी इतनी हो जाती है ना, तो आई स्टार्ट बेलोइंग इट विद दिस बेलन। Put some water on it gently. So guys, we are done with breakfast. Now I have to start preparing lunch. लंच में मैं आज चिकन करी एंड बगारा खाना बना रही हूँ। Before that I have to sterilize Samira ke bottles. It's been 3-4 days I've not sterilized it. So after that I will marinate the chicken. Chicken मैं हमेशा Licious का ही मंगाती हूँ. It's very I feel it's very neat and clean and very fresh. So चावल मैंने भीगने के लिए डाल दिया है। तो मैंने चिकन को काट कर धो दिया है। इसमें मैं पहले डालूँगी नींबू, देन आई विल पुट नमक, देन हल्दी, मिर्ची, देन अदरक लहसुन का पेस्ट। इसके बाद मैं डालूँगी दही, क्या कर को आए? हाँ समारा, क्यों गुस्सा हुए पापा? हाँ ओके दैट्स इट, इतना ही। इसको अभी मैरिनेशन के लिए रख देती हूँ। Okay guys, so there is a small change in the day. Today we are actually going to hospital right now because कल रात से इसको थोड़ा ज़्यादा खांसी हो गया है। तो वहाँ हॉस्पिटल के बाद हम लोग डीमार्ट जाएंगे। वहाँ देयर हैव टू बाय सम स्टफ, देन विल बी बैक होम। लंच का तो आधा प्रिपरेशन हो गया है, बाकी आधा मैं आके करूँगी। फिर भी ओके। सो डॉक्टर विजिट हो गया है, उन्होंने बोला कि थोड़ा कफ है, तो दे हैव गिवन एंटीबायोटिक्स एंड कोल्ड एंड कॉफ सिरम। सो या नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डीमार्ट।
बहुत सारी चीजें लेती उधर भी क्या भी जरूरी है
बाबा। अभी क्या क्या होना?
बलून, किंडर जॉय, कुरकुरे, फिर तुम्हारा नया फोन, फिर उसके बाद बलून, केक, फिर उसके बाद मुझे बहुत सारी चीजें ना।
ओके
डीमार्ट जा, उन्होंने ऑलरेडी विजिट करेगा।
ओके सो हम लोग पहुंच गए हैं डीमार्ट। तो दिस डीमार्ट इज़ वेरी स्मॉल कंपैरेटिवली जो वाइट फील्ड में है। हम लोग पहले हुडी वाले डीमार्ट जाते थे, बट ये थोड़ा छोटा है, इसीलिए थोड़ा पार्किंग के लिए हम लोगों को थोड़ा टाइम लगा। 20-25 मिनट लगता है पार्किंग के लिए ही, क्योंकि आज संडे है एंड दैट्स टू मच ऑफ, क्योंकि आज संडे है, इट्स टू मच ऑफ रश, दैट्स व्हाई वी गॉट डिलेड। Okay, so the grocery shopping is also done. We are going back home. Okay, so today the Bangalore weather is just beautiful. It is 1:30 actually right now, but it looks like it's morning, like 6 or 7 o'clock. Okay guys, so we are back home. I'll have to, it's 1:43. I need to quickly make the lunch. For that I need to cut onions. Where is my... Weather is so cold today. It doesn't look like it's going to be 2 o'clock. I mean, you should witness this honestly. Meanwhile I do my chopping. I'll let you guys know how we got that photo shoot. So one of I had got some ad or something on Insta story. I just gave my daughter's details in it, so they contacted us and they asked us for 3 photos. So I sent them the 3 photos, then they shortlisted her. After 1 day we got a call saying that you can come on this weekend and get the photo shoot done. Actually this has happened with me before also, where one of the media or entertainment company had contacted me, and so I had done some research, so I knew how it works. They will first charge you a registration fees of 1,000 rupees. You need to pay that and get the photo. That is all for with the makeup and all. So they'll only give you the costume. You need to make the kid wear it, and they'll do the photo shoot. And after 20 to 25 days, you will get that link where it has been uploaded on either Amazon, Myntra, Flipkart, or any of the e-commerce websites. So that photo shoot is done. What they do, you know, after this photo shoot is done, they'll ask you to get a portfolio done, which will cost you around 35 to 50k, which we knew that this is the process how these companies work. So if you get the photo shoot done, if you get the portfolio done, then they'll try to push your kid's profile ahead. So whenever there's a shoot or YouTube ads or any kind of e-commerce photo shoot or any even they'll push your kid's profile to the TV serials and all. So that's how it works. So they did ask us if we are interested, but I was clear that we only wanted to do this e-commerce photo shoot. More than this, we did not wanted to go ahead. Oh God, I forgot to cut the onions. So this is how it is. But they did give us a certificate, which I think will add a value in case in future if we are approaching that direction. Bagara khane ki khushboo is just very tempting. So the lunch is ready. Okay guys, so I'm ending the vlog here. It became too lengthy. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, hit the bell icon. We'll be soon back with another vlog. Thank you so much for watching.